Today we're learning how to talk about change over time. One four looks back from the past until now. The other looks forward from now into the future. Let's follow the timeline and watch Japanese grow. Let's start with use it when a change will continue into the future. Something is changing now or will begin changing soon. And you expect that change to keep going. Use verbs that show the change like naru, hueru, eru, yaseru, nareru for other verbs. Use yori natteiku to show a gradual change in ability. Now let's look back toward today. Use te kuru when a change started in the past and has continued until now. Think it's been becoming or it's gradually become again. Use verbs that naturally show change like naru, hueru, eru, yaseru, nareru.